Craftsman V20 Cordless 7/4 sliding miter saw has a powerful motor designed for cutting 2x-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim with ease. The sliding 7/4 blade allows for a cross-cut capacity of up to 8 inches, while the 9 mitre detents and single bevel blade allow for angled cuts. The LED light eliminates shadows and provides an accurate, easy cut line to follow. A lightweight design and side carry handles provide the user with additional portability. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful motor. 3,800 RPM motor of Craftsman miter saw is made for cutting 2x-dimensional lumber, hardwoods, baseboard, and trim with ease. Number 2. Slide capabilities. The miter saw has an 8 inches cross cut at 90 degrees and a 5/2 inches cross cut at 45 degrees. Number 3. Added capacity. The sliding miter saw cuts 3/5 inches nested crowns and 3/2 inches baseboards vertically. Number 4. Accuracy and visibility. LED cut line positioning system. Number 5. Quick and accurate. 9 casted miter detent stops for adjustments. Number 6. Single charge. Makes up to 585 cuts in 3/4 inches MDF baseboard on a single charge. Number 7. Portability. Lightweight design with side carry handles. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What size blade does this have? Answer. The blade is 7/4 inches in diameter. Question number 2. Does this saw come with a charger? Answer. Yes. The Craftsman comes with a charger. Question number 3. Does this have a built-in red laser cut line? Answer. No, it does not have the red laser cut line. It does light and cut line. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.